Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can connect one page to another page using HTML. So here we go. So I'm going to create new file, one file here. I'm using the VS Code. You can use the Notepad also, any editor. So this is our first page here and I'm going to just write a simple HTML code here. So let's open the HTML tag and close the HTML tag like this. I'm going to open the body tag also like this. And I'm going to just close the body tag like this. Okay. I'm going to write simple basic text here as like, this is my first page like this. I'm going to save that page here. I'm going to use the control as or command as and just say here first.html. And I'm going to save that file in the download folder. Okay. And save it. Done. Now I'm going to just copy and paste that code and just create the new file. So use the command and or open another file and just paste this code like this. And this is my second page like this. And see that page and the page name is second.html. Now we have two pages, first.html and second.html. Now open the first.html and you can see this is my first page. Okay. Now I'm going to just go to the first.html file here. Okay, this is my first page. Now we just need to write a simple code here. Use the a tag, okay, like this. Open a tag and use the href equal double quotation like this and just page name second.html like this and close the a tag like this. And between that tag, we need to write something. Click here to open second page like this. Okay, just save it. Now just copy and paste that line in the second.html page like this. And we just need to rename to first.html here and click here to open first page. First page like this. Open the browser here and refresh this. This is my first page. Click here to open second page. So click on this and you can see there second.html. Click here to open first page here. Now I'm going to just change the background color. Okay. So body style background color and I'm just gonna make it to aqua like this. Okay, for the second page. So I'm gonna just open the first.html and click on here and see the second.html. Go to the first page like this. So this is really very simple and basic code to connect one page to another page in HTML. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this video. Bye-bye.